Today we're going to be reviewing a 512 gig cfexpress Type B memory card. Here's what comes in the box. This is a pretty cool box. It's made out of wood. I've never seen that before. It's kind of curious, but yeah, it's made out of wood. So what comes in the box is your memory card. If you have a Canon EOS camera, this is the card that you have to use. Some of them have two, the cfexpress and SD card. This one's look like a little hard drive. So if you can see it right here, 112 gig. And the write and read speed is 3500 for max read and 3400 for speed. So that means this is a very fast cfexpress card. You can, if you do photography or videography, you know how important a fast memory card is, especially if you're doing video. With this, you could do 8K or raw photos, and they're gonna be processed really fast. If you have a card that is 300, 400 megs, it's gonna buffer when you are a sport photographer, so action photography. So I need a card that is gonna process and read and process my photos pretty quickly. And when I'm doing my videos, I need the biggest card, so, and the fastest ones to do my highlight videos and all the other videos. This is the perfect card if you're looking for an affordable card that is super fast, that is immensely made. You can see the reviews, they're all good. I definitely recommend it. Go get you one for the price, 512 gigs, super fast read and write. This is your card, so definitely recommend it. Go get one. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how fast this card is. Plug it in. Gonna come up here. It's the new one right there. New volume. Wanna double click on it. Gonna drop here. I got a couple of, let's do a 2 gig one so you can see how fast it goes. Drop it on there. That's a 2 gig one. And this a 9 gig. See how fast it goes. That's how fast this card is. So 10 gigs, 12 gigs in less than a minute. So there you have it.